Peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessing. God willing, today we will start a series of videos on the DiaLux EVO program. We will start with the first video on how to download the DiaLux EVO program and how to install it on your device. So let's get started directly. The first step to download the DiaLux EVO program is to go to the official DiaLux website, which is DiaLux.com, and start. I will leave you the link below the video. You click on the DiaLux EVO download. The program will start downloading. It will begin to download, and after it finishes downloading, you follow the installation steps. The steps are very simple. The program might require you to start and register an account with your email, so it's very straightforward. Of course, I have the program installed on my device, so I will start it and explain the interface of the DiaLux EVO program. We use DiaLux EVO to create lighting calculations. You can print the lighting report, so it's a very important and useful program, not just for electrical specialists, but also for people working in any design field. Of course, the DiaLux EVO program is downloaded with this icon. We click on it and open the program. This is the program interface. As we can see, the first time the program opens, it opens like this. The first thing, of course, is the first floor and building planning, and we click on it to start loading our AutoCAD file and begin creating the building, then the rooms, and so on. If you want to start and load the file, for the AutoCAD file directly, click on Import Plan from here. The third icon is for Revit files. If you have a Revit file, click on this icon. Then we have Room Planning, which is for when you want to create a quick 3D design for a single room. Click on Room Planning. This saves you if you have just one room, so you enter its data from here. You start making calculations directly. After that, Street Lighting is for street lighting, and here it shows you the files you have worked on before, and the projects you have worked on before. After that, we can say some educational things related to direct save. In the third tab, let's open Door and Building Planning and get to know the menus and the basic things in the direct save program. The program opens as we see now. Of course, this white area is dedicated to your project, where the building, rooms, and components will appear. Then, here you have tabs on the left. These tabs, every time we click on one of them, it opens for us and changes the section here. The first tab is for loading the program or loading the AutoCAD file, which has the extension WG. If you have an AutoCAD file, you start clicking here on Load Plan and start loading the AutoCAD file you will work on. The second icon is for Revit files. If you have a Revit file, notice that every time we click on a tab from the tabs on the left,